Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got this grommet eyelet kit, and if you don't know how to use it, you've come to the right place. So let's go outside and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, here are the grommet eyelets, and here's the puncher, and here's the hole maker, and this is your little stand where you put your eyelets in. You get your fabric or whatever material you want to use, and get your hole puncher to make the hole first. Position it where you want, give it a couple of whacks, make sure it's gone through, and there's the hole made, and there's your little bits, and you just push them through with a wire or something and get them out of there. And now you get the male part of your grommet eyelet. Put it through, and obviously you get the other part as well. And you've got the smooth section and a rough section, so you put the rough section facing inwards. Make sure you place them on your little stand. And get your puncher and give them a few little whacks. You'll hear the difference once it's done. And there you have it. Nice and strong, and yeah, you can do it yourself. No need to go out and buy it or get someone else to do it. Simple. Well, I hope that was helpful to you. So the actual kit itself, as you can see, it's very easy to use, and the eyelets are 1/2 inch or 12 millimeters. So as you saw as well, in the kit you'll get the 2 punches, and you get the little stand as well, and also the eyelets. So you could virtually use them on anything, really. I mean, you could put them on your tarps or your tents. They even say you could put them on belts and shoes and things like that. So they come in quite handy. Again, link will be in the description if you think you might need these. Yeah, go down and take a closer look, and I'll catch you on the next one.